Dad?
Tom, don't worry. It's just a little engine trouble. I'm going to head to the gas station to call for a tow truck. Wait for me here. Don't get out of the car, okay?
Dad, if you're going to the gas station, can you bring me a...
Tom? You okay? Was that an attack?
It's nothing, Mom. Just another nightmare.
Calm down. Breathe. Let's go inside. I'll get your medication.
Is this the house? It looks like it's falling apart.
Well, your father didn't have life insurance. It's a miracle we found such a big house for so little money. And in such a quiet place. Here, we can...
I know. Start over. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's check out the house.
Well, in theory, our things should already be inside. The movers came this morning. Only your box is left in the trunk. Grab it and let's go in, okay?
Okay. Who are you? Mom! Mom? Where'd she go? Seriously? Hey, let me in! This isn't funny! Mom, open the door! She must have left a spare key around here somewhere. Here's the key. Mom? Mom?
What do you think of the house? Pretty old. Supposedly a family completely renovated it in the 80s.
I think I could use another renovation. Where are you? Why'd you lock me out?
I'm gonna see if I can make us something to eat. Your room is upstairs. Why don't you leave your things there and come down?
Yeah, okay. Whatever. It's locked. Looks like it has 3 metal bolts. The door latch is completely rusted. I'll need some anti-rust spray to open this. Doesn't seem to be working.
Hi, I'm Rebecca, and I'm 8 years old. Yesterday, we moved into the new house. My dad, my mom, and my silly little brother Elroy came with me. Dad is always fixing things and telling silly jokes. Mom makes the best
This
cookies
doll.
ever.
It's really creepy.
Elroy, well, he is little, but always getting into trouble. At school, they told us we have to keep a journal during vacation.
The sink's clogged.
How boring.
There's something shiny, but I can't get it out.
I had a clever idea. I took Dad's recorder so I don't have to write anything. They're calling me for dinner.
Something is pressing on the trapdoor from above. I'm not going to be able to open it by force. Boxes everywhere. I guess this is my room. My place to start over. After Dad's death, I didn't think it would be possible. Trying to forget. Start fresh. Well, I guess the house isn't that bad. These look like toys for a little kid. Why did they leave them here when they left? Was this here before? The 80s tragedy. What is this? Did something happen in this house? Better not show it to Mom. She rented this house with so much hope. This looks like an office, but it's locked. This door's bricked up. It's really cold and damp here. What's behind it? These must have been the old tenants. How strange. Why didn't they take the photo when they left?
Ah, Tom, sit down. I made something to eat.
Mom, this house is really weird. Some of the doors are locked or bolted, and there's this creepy doll on the stairs.
Oh, so it's there? The doll was mentioned in a clause in the rental contract. Apparently it belonged to the original owner of the house. It seems we can't take it out of the display case.
Seriously? That's eerie.
You can get rid of it if you want. No one has to know.
But it was here before us, right?
It's just a doll, Tom. If you don't like it, put it in the closet or somewhere it won't get broken. When we eventually leave the house, we can put it back in its place. The most important thing is that we feel comfortable here.
I'm going to my room.
I left your medication in the upstairs bathroom if you need it.
Okay. I should probably put this doll somewhere less visible. My basketball. I'm gonna miss my friends. My favorite jumper. At least I didn't lose it in the move. My phone. Crap, is it broken? I knew it was a bad idea to put it in a box. I'm so tired. I should probably lie down. It's getting pretty late. Dad?
Tom, don't worry. It's just a little engine trouble. I'm going to head to the gas station to call for a tow truck.
Dad, get back in the car. It's dangerous.
Don't get out of the car,
Dad,
okay?
listen to me, Dad. Don't go anywhere. Get back in the car. No, no, come back. Dad? Dad, where are you?
Tâm. Tâm.